Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the CUBOT tablet Tab 10 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on apps and notifications. Now let's tap on see all 55 apps, and here tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter reset up preferences, and here as you can see we've got some info. And this option will reset disabled tabs, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data. So simply tap on reset apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your CUBOT tablet Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.